What is going on, everyone? Karen Keller Williams right here, Gibsontong, Florida. Look at that. Got my shirt unbuttoned. I'm right here enjoying the weather, and I am on a piece of land that's 3 acres for sale, and it's super cool because it goes all the way down. And we're gonna walk the whole property, right? There's an existing house here, might need to be knocked down, but you're not buying it for that. You're buying it for the land and the little secret it holds in the back. So let's take a tour of this piece of property. So as we're walking, right, you can see right here along this, there's a little tiny creek right there, right? And your property goes a little bit past that, right? So we're walking, and then the property goes past these trees a little bit. But remember, we're gonna take a nice little walk together. We're not even gonna edit this video. So this is the house right here. This house was built over 50 years ago. So this, what's cool about it, it's all the way back here, right? So obviously, I don't think we're gonna go in this house today because, yeah, I just don't know what's going on in there. Haven't been in there yet myself. But you might be able to redo it or keep the existing foundation. But let's keep walking. I mean, this is how crazy this is. We're still on the land and we're walking, right? We're in this video over a minute and we're still walking because I want to show you how phenomenal this piece of land is. All right, come on, everyone. Get those steps in. It's a good way to get our bodies in shape for the summer. All right, here's the cool part. This is the secret part. All right, here we go. There is this drum roll. Look at that. How amazing is this? A fisherman's dream right here. You come right down on the water, okay? And if you take this waterway, you get like on a jet ski or something small, and you can take this all the way down. There's a little bridge down there. Here, let me turn this. There's a little bridge down there, and you can go right into the Tampa Bay. So you have 3 acres that isn't a square, it's more of a rectangle, so it's so deep right off the street, and it goes right to the water. And these are like these needle in the haystack, these hard finds that don't ever come on the market. It's so rare. Somebody lived in this house, had the house built years ago. Now it's a family, you know, left in the family, and now they're ready to leave and give it to somebody else. And look at this. This is a fisherman's dream. Sitting out here, barbecuing, no HOA, no CDD, just doing what you want, putting the house further back, having all that frontage. It's an amazing family compound. It's on the market. Call me if you have any questions. I'd love to show it to you. We'll take a walk. We'll take a journey. If you have dogs, boats, RVs, anything, perfect land for you. If you have any questions, I'm Karen. Talk to you soon.